Welcome to week 4, halfway point of the semester or term that we're doing together for Excel CIS 162. Can you believe it? You're halfway done. In case you noticed, though, I'm not halfway done when I'm recording this video because I'm recording them all on the same day so that I'm ready to go for the semester because there's so much teaching and other work to do during the semester that I wanted to have these all scheduled and ready for you. All right, week 4 means finishing Unit 2 and starting Unit 3. You have the Fix-It assignment for Chapter 2, and we're going to jump into week 3. Not week 3, this is week 4. We're going to jump into Unit 3. Unit 3 is going to start taking us from numbers to pictures. Look, not many of us think in numbers. I do sometimes, but even for me, pictures are better. So if I've got a whole bunch of information saying, hey, this is how much you sold in December, January, February, March, April, May for your company, great. The numbers are fine, but I'll get a whole lot more context if I put that into a picture, a graph. So that's what we're learning this week. We are going to learn about what's called visualizing data. In other words, making a picture out of the numbers. And now you are officially joining the classes of the nerdy. I'm a nerd. You're nerds now too. This means that you are going to be preparing these visualizations for the less nerdy because you're comfortable with numbers now. You've been doing this in Excel for 3 weeks. This is week 4. And now you're going to be taking your newfound skills and helping yourself see the information in new ways, but also helping those people who haven't put in this time and work to see the information in ways they can understand. So, some of the graphs you're going to be learning about are things like bar graphs or line graphs. These are where you have the vertical columns or a line going up. These kind of graphs are good for showing change over time. We're also going to be learning about pie charts, which is a circle that's split up into multiple pieces, and that kind of chart is good for showing relationships between amounts of data. So, how much of something, what percentage of the whole is it? And so on. You're going to be learning about a variety of different graphs, and you're going to be implementing them. Each one has its use, each one has its place, and each one will show you something a little bit different about the data you're looking at, which will be helpful. So sometimes you're going to use multiple types of multiple types of charts to interpret data so that you get the full context behind the data, the relationships within the data, and the relationships externally. You're also going to be learning formatting, so how to color the charts to make them readable and informative. And with this, you're going to be able to show a boss or a client or a friend or even just yourself an easily digestible snapshot of the information you have. Now, I want you to note again, this is our second week with a Saturday assignment. So please, please, please make sure you get that done this week because we need to stay on track. This is going to be the last Saturday due assignment, so breathe easy. The last 3 weeks are only Tuesday and Thursday. All right, have a great week. Enjoy your Excel and your other activities, and I will talk to you again on week 5.